Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials: valid ID, address proof, a clear passport-style photo, and a scanned signature under 2 MB. Once done, log into the official voter portal with your credentials. This ties your edits to your record. Select Update Details and pick the exact field you need to change first: name, address, or photo, so you proceed step by step. Doing this now prevents back and forth. It also helps the system validate each change quickly. You edit the chosen fields precisely, spell names as on ID, and format addresses exactly to match proof. Then upload supporting documents. Crop and rotate images so text is readable, check file size limits, and prefer PDFs for multi-page proofs. Once uploaded, authenticate changes using OTP or the portal's digital sign option. This confirms your identity. Make sure to review every field and attachment slowly. Errors here lead to rejections, so double-check. You finish by submitting the application and saving the confirmation reference, screenshot or download the receipt. Then track the status on the portal. Processing can take several days to a few weeks, and you will receive updates by email or SMS. If the application is rejected, read the rejection reason carefully, correct the specific issue, and resubmit promptly using the same reference when allowed. If technical issues persist, clear cache, try another browser, or contact the portal help desk with your reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.